You don't need a water heater insulation blanket. Water heaters already come with all the insulation that you need. This is a water heater I cut open for training my new inspectors, and you can see it's got a healthy amount of foam insulation already installed between the water heater tank and the outer shell. You're not really going to be able to add any real value with that loose fitting, loosely taped fiberglass insulation blanket. And that's why